Hello everyone, welcome back to page Bantia Minjais Arai. I am Sumatra. Today we're gonna continue lesson 26, John the Baptist. And in this video we will learn 5 words together. Okay, let's get started. First word is ran. Ran. Ran can spell R-A-N. Ran. Ran is the past tense of run. For example, the dog runs away from me. The dog runs away from me. Second word is sat. Sat. Sat can spell S-A-T. Sat. Sat is the past tense of sit. For example, I sat on the floor. I sat on the floor. Third word is read. Read. Read can spell R-E-A-D. Read. Read is the past tense of read. For example, I read aloud to the children. I read aloud to the children. Fourth word is crew. Crew. Crew can spell G-R-E-W. Crew. Crew is the past tense of grow. For example, the plants grew to be strong and healthy. The plants grew to be strong and healthy. The fifth word is fell. Fell. Fell can spell F-E-L-L. Fell. Fell is the past tense of fall. For example, the boy fell out of the tree. The boys fell out of the tree. Okay, let's repeat the words one more time together. The first word is ran, ran. Second is sat, sat. And the third word is read, read. The fourth word is crow, crow. The fifth word is fell, fell. Okay, good job everyone. Okay, thank you so much everyone for spending time watching this video. I hope you can catch up all these words. And if you want to practice, you can make it the sentence and sentences and leave it in a comment below. And if you want to study the full lesson with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can click the links above or below. We will see you next time. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.